Tired of downloading images just to crop them? Learn how to crop directly in OneDrive in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click. First, we'll open your photos, select the image, then use the crop tool and save. No downloads, no extra software, just a quick edit right there in the cloud. Let's start by navigating to your photos. Now, in OneDrive, you might be on your main file view by default, but we're looking for the dedicated Photos section. So go ahead and click on the word Photos in the left-hand menu. This filters your view to show only image files, which makes finding what you need a lot faster. No more digging through folders of random documents. Now, find the image you want to crop and click on it. This will open the photo in a full-screen viewer. It's like a lightbox that lets you see the image nice and big. This is where all the editing magic happens. But don't worry, it doesn't commit to anything yet. All right. Here's where we get to the good part. Look along the top toolbar of the viewer. You'll see a few icons: share, download, maybe a pencil for drawing, but the one we want is right there. It looks like a little square with crossed corners. That's the crop icon. Just click on it. And now you'll see the whole image get a new set of borders with little white handles on the corners and edges. These are your cropping controls. You can click and drag any of these handles to adjust the area you want to keep. Pull them in from the top, bottom, or sides. If you want a perfect square instead of a rectangle, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while you drag a corner handle. That keeps the proportions locked. Go ahead and frame up exactly the part of the image you want to keep. Once you've got it framed perfectly, look to the top right of the toolbar. You'll see a Save button. Click that. OneDrive will process your edit. It usually happens instantly, but if the image is really large, you might see a quick spinner. Let it finish. And that's it. The cropped version now replaces the original in your OneDrive. No extra copies cluttering up your storage, though you can always undo the crop later if you change your mind by opening the image and looking for the Reset option. So now you can edit your photos right inside OneDrive without ever needing to download them, crop them in another app, and then upload them back. It saves a ton of time and keeps everything organized in one place. I've been using this trick for my own projects, and honestly, once you start doing it this way, you'll never want to go back to the old download, edit, re-upload routine. Give it a try with your next image. You've got this.